Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to see how you can use Microsoft Word to create a CV or a resume. So to begin with, this is the Microsoft Word open portal. So what we're going to do now is head over to this section to File. This menu here, this tab, click on File. When your file, when it's opened, click on New. Then on the search bar here, type resume and click on search. So you can see different templates here. So you see different templates here. So click on one of the templates, select one of the templates rather, then click on this create to customize. So over here, you just change the image. You add a name here. Over here, you add your educational background. You add your school, work experience, skills, and additional information. Adjust the layout further. Then after you are done with it, done with the CV creation, come here, click on file and click on save as. Decide then uh, leave it at Kevin CV. Then thereafter you click on file again and click on export and export it to PDF. So you can see it does not appear in PDF. So that's how you can use Microsoft Word to create CV on your CV. So thank you for watching.